Good morning, everyone. Eric down at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. We just took some more 2023s off the truck, which is really exciting. We're starting to see bikes on a weekly, bi-weekly basis right now, so continue to expect new stuff as the month goes on. First up over here, we have a 2023 Heritage 114 black on black package with the laced wheels. That just came in today. Right next to it, we have a 2023 Heritage in Prospect Gold with the pinstripe on it. Beautiful new setup here. This is the blacked out package on here. So this one's ready to rock and roll. Next to it here, you'll see the Redline Red Nightster here. This is the 975 motor on the new Sport lineup. And this thing is ready to party. So if you're looking for a lightweight bike, this is a great way to go. All right, Cam, coming over here, we got a 2023 Lowrider S in Vivid Black with the 117. You see you got the 4-inch gauge cluster right up here on the riser, so it's a little bit easier to see. A nice upgrade they did last year. Also, it slimmed down the tank profile here, so you get a nice, clean, aggressive ride on this one. And then last up, I have a Softail Standard here. If you notice on the Softail Standard, we get a nice new graphic this year for 2023 in red. Just a beautiful, clean, simple bike. If you're looking to get into a Softail, it kind of hits all your points, and it's ready to rock and roll. So if you folks have any questions on any of the bikes that you saw here, we also have more 2023s in the showroom. Please feel free to just swing on down or give us a call at 802-476-6104. Thanks.